In this video, you will be guided through the process of replacing an ignition coil on 2017 Hyundai Elantra. The ignition coils are located under the engine cover, which are typically bolted to the top of the engine, referring to the displayed cylinder numbers, to identify which ignition coil needs to be replaced. Let's start with the removal process. First, loosen and slide the bolt securing the cable of the battery negative terminal out. Then remove the engine cover. Determine the ignition coil that needs to replace. Pull the lock pin and push the clip, while disconnecting the cable leading into the ignition coil connectors. And the final step, unscrew the bolts. Grip the coil with one hand and pull it. Moving on to the inspection phase, carefully inspect the ignition coil for cracks, corrosion, and signs of wear. Ensure that the coil is clean and free from dirt or grime. Verify that the new coil matches the previous one in terms of specifications. Set the digital multimeter to its lowest ohm setting. Connect the multimeter's positive and negative leads to the respective terminals on the ignition coil, and read the displayed value. The primary coil resistance should be 0.75 ohms with a plus or minus 15% tolerance. Now, let's move forward with the installation process. Carefully insert the new ignition coil into the engine. Utilize a torque wrench to tighten the ignition coil bolt. It is crucial to apply a torque within the range of 9.8 to 11.8 Newton meters to prevent any damage to the ignition coil. Add a dab of dielectric grease to the ports before connecting them to ensure a strong connection. Proceed by plugging each ignition cable into the corresponding coil port in the correct order, ensuring firm seating by listening for an audible pop. Finally, reinstall the engine cover and reconnect the battery negative terminal. That concludes the complete procedure for replacing an ignition coil on 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Thank you for watching.